Alright, so this is the last box. Vibrant Performance. Make sure to follow these guys. I'll be sure to do that. And now we got everything we need. All our fittings and hardware needed to get this job done. It's all here. You know, I really give it to Humble Performance. And for the price, you get literally everything you need. So, definitely satisfied with the contents of these boxes. We got a band clamp here. Made in China. Everything's made in China. And in here, RDT. I mean, this stuff feels great. Yeah, this silicone feels good, durable. That's good stuff, guys. I got one more item in here. Let's see what's in here.